Attention all developers and investors. We're here directly opposite Guildford Station with your opportunity to purchase a DA approved and CC ready to build standalone boarding home. Located directly across the road from Guildford train station and a 1-minute walk to Guildford shopping centre, local cafes and restaurants. Currently there is a 6-bedroom brick home leased, sitting on a total of 436.4 square metres with a 13.4 metre frontage. It is DA approved and CC ready with all contributions paid to build this 4-level standalone boarding home consisting of 17 self-contained studio apartments. Contracts and plans are available upon request. Don't miss this ready-to-build investment opportunity at 348 Railway Terrace.